Well, hi everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video where I'm gonna unpack this beast. So let's go. Alright, what I got here is a Corsair 1200 HX series. It's 1.2 kilowatt PSU for not just any computer, but only the best ones. It can run 4090, 3090, whatever you want. I purposefully got it for my new RTX 3090, which is going to be featured in the next video. I'm going to make a video about it, which I think is the best value for good GPU that you can buy now. It was immensely expensive when it came out a few years ago, and it's still in production as I'm informed. You can check it out on this page. And let's see what we got. All right. First, there's gonna be this. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's about 5 pounds of PSU. So it's awesomely powerful. And here we have this. Right, I'm just gonna open it from one side to let this go. I'm gonna do it this way. Can't get it out. Oh man, what a beast. Now I got it. Oh. Whoa. All right. Right, everything's fine. Let's move on. Here it is. HX1200 Corsair. Let's see what's inside. Just this thing even opening. How should I open this thing? And it's crazy. Oh, it's like that. Oh, it's quite stupid. Okay. So here it is. Oh. Wow. Important information. Well, these informations are most probably about how to use the product and how to power it properly. Oh. This always tells you it's a good quality product. And this, my friends, is it. Wow. It's just so heavy. I wish you could feel that. It's in pristine state. It's a brand new one. HX1200. Quiet fan, which doesn't turn unless there's a huge need for it. You know, it has a multiple and single rail, which you can turn on and off. This button, and look at all those slots. Wow, you could power anything with this. Let me just quickly read these. All right, max load 100 amps, 1200 watts. It's so heavy, man. I can't wait to actually put this in my computer and test it out with my RTX 3090, which I'm going to be showing you in the next couple of videos. But let's see what's inside of these bags. There should be cables that comes with it. In this fancy bag, you can see the Corsair logo right here. And I was reading the reviews and the comments from the people around the world who have used these Corsair PSUs, and they say it's a complete masterpiece. You know, it's one of the best. Mine was rated Platinum 80. You know, you don't have to go that far, especially if you're just gaming. You know, if you don't do the other things like video editing or rendering or 3D machining, whatever, you should just stick to a normal PSU. Even my RTX 3090 requires 750 watt PSU. So power supply isn't that big of a problem when you have a good one. You know, it's a better thing to have 700 watts good PSU than a kilowatt, you know, something of a poor quality. And from other people's experience, the Corsair is just a deal. It has a 10-year warranty. So whatever happens within the 10 years, you don't care. You know, it can break immediately. You know, you don't care about it because it's a good one. Right, what I have right now is 730 watts PSU made by Thermaltake Smart SE series, and I'm kind of not so impressed with it. You know, I've read somewhere that people had some kind of problems. They didn't know it was that bad for gaming. You know, my PC will occasionally freeze. I'm using the GTX 1080 Ti right now, and I'm just about to upgrade to 3090 RTX and this masterpiece. So let's see the cables. Those look gorgeous, man. There's so many of them. Wow, look at these. Some of them are for the fans, and some of them are for the GPU, the SATA. You know, it's just just see how thick this is, man. That's great. And this is the main power cord that's gonna be used to power this baby. Just take a look at how thick this is. This is the thickest cable I have right now. So 1.2 kilowatt of power, that's gonna be a killer overkill for any game, but as well for the rendering, which I'm doing. And I'm gonna show you this user manual. It's HX series. So in HX series, you have the PSU all the way from 750 watts to 1.2 kilowatts, which is exceptionally good one. You don't need the AX series, which goes up to 1600 watt. So that's mainly produced for the SLI, where you have like two RTX 3090. So you put them into SLI, and then you're gonna need 1500 watt. So it's simple as that. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did unpacking this beast. And if you did, please leave a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.